Hello friends, welcome to Ethiopia First You, where we talk about the YouTube growth, monetization, and helping you become a smart YouTube creator. Today, we are going to talk about the problem that affects every channel, even experienced ones. That is audience retention and engagement problems. These issues can destroy your video's visibility, no matter how good your content actually is. Many creators wonder why their video gets clicks but never take off. The answer often lies in what happens after click. YouTube looks at how long people watch and how they interact with your video. If viewers leave your video quickly, or if they don't engage on your video, the algorithm assumes that your content didn't satisfy the viewers, and it stops showing your video to other people. Let us break this down so you understand exactly what is going wrong in your channel. Yes, the first and the most common problem is low average view duration. This happens when people click on your video but leave within seconds. Yes, maybe intro is too slow, maybe the visuals don't grab attentions, or maybe you didn't deliver what the title promised fast enough. That may be the first problem. The truth is that your video's first 30 seconds decide almost everything. If viewers didn't find value immediately, then they will leave, and YouTube will notice that problem. So, hook your audience right away. Don't waste your time. Prove that staying to the end is worth it. The next big killer is clickbait disappointment. Yeah, when viewers feel trickled, they leave early. They stop engaging on your video, and some might even avoid your future uploads. Make sure your opening second directly match your title and thumbnails. When you deliver exactly what you promise, your audience stay, and YouTube rewards you with high video visibility. Another silent issue is a weak call to action, or no call to action at all. Many creators assume people will automatically like, comment, and subscribe to their channel, but they won't unless you ask. Yes, engagement doesn't happen by chance. Rather, you need to remind your viewers. When viewers interact with your video, YouTube receives strong engagement signals. But engagement is not only about likes and comments during your video. Rather, it's also about what happens after that. Many creators make the mistake of ignoring their audience. That means they never reply to comments or acknowledge viewers' feedback. YouTube wants the creators who build communities, not just who build content. When you respond to comments, pin interesting ones, or mention a viewer in your next video, you are showing a real human connection, and that creates loyalty. And here comes the next issue, that is no community building. You can post hundreds of videos, but if your audience doesn't feel connected to you, they will eventually drift away. So community is what transforms viewers into fans. So use the YouTube community tab. You are expected to use community tab, post polls, ask questions, and celebrate your milestones together. People don't just follow your content. Rather, they follow creators they feel connected to. Here is another subtle problem. That is repetitive style. When every video sounds the same, viewers lose excitement. You are expected to try changing your background visuals, add storytelling moments, or switch your pacing once in a while. So you are expected to give viewers the feeling that every upload is a new experience, not just a return. Let me also mention a few extra hidden problems that often go unnoticed. Sometimes the pacing of the video is too slow. That means you might have long pauses, or even explaining or repeating the same point makes people skip ahead or they leave entirely. The good news here is you can turn this around. Focus on your first 30 seconds. Be honest in your titles and thumbnails. Deliver values very fast and build connections beyond the video itself. Talk to your audiences, reply to them, and show them that you care. Make every video feel like part of growing relationship, not just another upload. So Audience retention and engagement are not just numbers in your YouTube video analysis. They represent how people feel when they watch your videos. If you respect their time, deliver what you promise, and invite them into your creative space, your retention will then rise. Your engagement will grow, and YouTube will start pushing your content further than ever before. Thanks for watching this episode of Ethiopia First Tour. If this video helped you understand what is hurting your video's visibility, leave a comment below and tell me your biggest challenge here. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss the next tutorial on how to grow YouTube channel smarter.